We started off with Tigapo after learning about their products and services during the pandemic, being that coins and tickets was no longer available through the COVID process. We reached out to Tigapo to understand the process, what the product was like, and we were wowed from there. After that, Will had us in the books in a short amount of time, and they were doing our install on our arcade games. We just love the efficiency of it. Coming from coin and ticket, we had a great opportunity to look at the cost expensing and saving that we would have with that, as well as how important the Tigapo software is to our everyday activity in the arcade. On the using it side, clearly it's the reports that are generated that allow us to drill down each game to see what it's doing when we remove a game, take a game out, move a game around our location, just to kind of get the best results possible. We're not having any expense to tickets. We're not having any expense to tokens or coin options along those lines. And we're seeing the revenue that allows an individual to come into our facility, use the app to generate a faster transaction where the customer does not even have to come up to our counter. They can do it via the phone app. We would have to say we see a 20 to 25% increase of transactions based on the ease of the Tigapo system. The ability to cash multiple prize winners out at the same time. So the prize redemption time has come down 70%. The response has been awesome. They've been very happy with it.